welcome to today's video. I literally can't believe that I'm about to say this, but your girl hit 10,000 freaking subscribers. I hit 10,000 over the weekend, and I literally cannot, like, thank you so freaking much, you guys. Oh my goodness. I have 10,000 subscribers. How? I am going to do a video now that I hit 10,000 subscribers. I will be having a giveaway for you guys. I'm just waiting on a couple companies to send me over some stuff that we agreed that they would send me so I can add it to the giveaway. So I'm making like little bundle prize packs for you guys. So once I have those, I will have a video telling you what you can win, how to enter, all of that fun stuff. I do want to give back to you guys, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed and have the bell turned on, that way you know when that video goes live. For today's video, I did buy some stuff from White Fox Boutique. I've never tried them before, so I'm really excited to see how everything is. And then I did pick up some other stuff from Zara as well. I love Zara, and some stuff on the website caught my eye, so I figured I might as well do a haul, review them for you guys, and show you some great spring pieces that I picked up. So if you are interested, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start off with what I got at Zara. So I wanted this specific item and I saw it on the website, and it took forever to come back in stock. It came in stock one day at like 4 in the morning. I put my notifications on to get an email when it restocks, and at 4 in the morning I just so happened to work that morning, so I was up around like 5 in the morning. So as soon as I woke up, I checked my emails all the time, and I saw that this item was in stock, and I was like, I need it. It is this vest. I absolutely love this. Number one, price, super phenomenal. This does remind me a lot of the Aritzia Super Puff vest. That one is really expensive. It's like $200, and I didn't like that one because it's not cropped. I love cropped things, so I always get cropped things. This is a cropped vest. It is super lightweight but also very comfortable, and it does keep you super warm. I love the puffiness of it. It is just amazing quality material. It's very puffy and soft, and it's just perfect. It has 2 pockets, so on each side there are pockets. It has the little strings if you want to make it tighter around the neck, and then it also has strings here at the bottom that you can pull to make it tighter there also. This is a great piece. It also came in a pink color, but I loved the black. Phenomenal price. Like I mentioned, it was $49.90, you guys, compared to the $200 vest that Aritzia is super famous for and everybody has. I got this one in a size small, and I'm really happy that I did because I like to wear this over sweaters. An extra small I feel like would just be a little too tight, so a small fits me absolutely perfectly. It's not too big, not too small, and there's still a lot of room to wear with a sweater under, but also if I'm just wearing it with like a t-shirt or a long sleeve, it doesn't look too big. If you are on the hunt for a vest, definitely try this one out. Again, it comes in like a pink one too. I think it's called like the water repellent vest. I'll try it on quickly for you guys, but I love it. How cute. Let me move a little. This is what it looks like. I love it. It has the pockets, so it goes like this, like that. I cannot say enough good things about this. You can just zip it up also. Big fan. Literally huge fan of this vest. You need it, trust me. Then from Zara, funny story about this, I picked up this cropped tank top over here. As you guys can see, it is yellow. I had intended on buying the purple version. There's like a purple one of those. I don't know what happened, but basically I checked out with the yellow one in my cart, but I wanted the purple one. But then I got it and I opened it, and I was like not upset over having the yellow. I kind of really like the color, and yellow's really in right now, so I'm not upset, but I was more confused in the moment, like how did that even happen, because I wanted the purple one, but I got this yellow one. I'm not upset about it. It's just like a basic tank top, and again, very trendy yellow that is in right now. It is ribbed, and I just like the shape of it also. I think it'll just be a really cute, simple top. This is the tag, and again, I got it in a size small. Fits really well, very stretchy as you guys can see, and again, I just like the ribbed material. And the color is really pretty. Next up, we have White Fox Boutique. I have never ordered from them before, but I do follow them on Instagram, and lately they've been catching my attention so much with all the great pieces that they have, so I was like, I'm just gonna place an order, see what it's about, see how I like the stuff, and just like dabble into the White Fox Boutique world. Their stuff is pretty pricey, not gonna lie. Comes in this like bag, inside the bag. which I really like these. You can reuse them, so that's cool. First up, we got this top. It's kind of basic. I like how simple it is, and I just think it's cute. It's a one shoulder tank top that has just a little slit around here, as you guys can see. Honestly, when I first picked this up, I noticed that this part is super sheer, if you guys can see that, and I was like, oh no. Then I realized that the body part was actually double layered, so you can see. So it's double layered, so it's not see-through, which is good. Just this little like band piece is single layer, which is also really good because it doesn't make it too tight. It gives you like flexibility. This top is also super stretchy. And I just like the design of it, the one shoulder and the little cute like cutout at the bottom. I think it's gonna look really cute with jeans on. So this was the First Love crop. I picked it up in an extra small and I got it in black. I think this top was around like $40. I'll have the price on the screen for you guys, but this is what it looks like. I think it'll be cute. It'll be a basic, simple spring staple, and we love that. Item number 2 is this top, which I know it looks kind of confusing. I mean, honestly, I'm a little confused also, but I'll show you in the try on. It'll all make sense. Fabric wise, it is very nice fabric. Again, it is double layered, so the inside material is like a smooth material while the outside is a textured rib material. I also got this in an extra small, and it is the Cocoa crop top in powder blue. I really liked the color. It's like a bluish gray color. I don't know how to put it on right now. I know it probably looks crazy like this, but once I try it on, it'll make sense and it'll be cute. But right now I'm a little confused. Yeah. Anyways, I'm sure it'll be cute. It'll be fine. We'll be fine. Last thing I got was this, but I also want to mention that on their website, when you check out, there's like a code thing where if you refer a friend, I think we both get like $20 off. So I will have mine in the description along with all the other products. I'll have them linked if you guys want to shop them, but you can use my code. I'm not sponsored by them. This is not affiliated by them. I bought this with my own money, but while I was checking out, I did notice that $20 off. You get $20 if you shop through my link, and I get $20, so that's a good kind of trade-off for us. We can each get $20 off. But this is the last thing, which is a bag. They had a bag that caught my attention because the color. This is super similar to the Louis Vuitton purse that has like the 3 different bags. You know, the one that's very trendy, that's like a crossbody and has a little thing like hanging over here. I love the color of this bag. It's a good size, but this comes with a strap. Now we just have some stuffing. It's so pretty. So this is the mini bag that it comes with on the strap. This is what it looks like. It has that like little cute bag over here. The strap, I think the strap is adjustable. Yeah, so it is adjustable. You can always adjust it, and then it just has this bag hanging. For size reference, I have the S20 Ultra, and it fits perfectly. There is still a lot of space in it, and this bag was way more affordable obviously than the Louis Vuitton one. This one was like $80 Canadian, and the Louis Vuitton one is a lot more expensive. I think it's almost like $2,000-$3,000, which kind of crazy. So this is a perfect alternative, super affordable, very cute, and again, love the color. They have other colors also. They have like a nude one, a black one, a light pink one, but I saw this baby blue one and I just had to have it. I think it's gonna look so cute with an all black outfit. If you guys want to see how I style any of these, definitely be sure to check me out on Instagram. I will have it up over here. Go follow me. Instagram is usually where I post like my outfit pictures, where here on YouTube I do reviews and hauls and show you guys what I get and how they fit, but on Instagram is how I style everything. So definitely go follow me there if you aren't already. This purse is the Phoenix Powder Blue. I did get free shipping. I did not get the 2-day express shipping. I had to wait like a week and a half for this package. I did not get hit with customs. I mean, for free shipping, I'm used to waiting like a week and a half, so it wasn't too bad. There was no delays or anything. Overall, loved everything. Super excited and happy that I got my hands on this Zara vest. I am so in love with it. You guys don't understand. It's very lightweight. Like, it literally is just like a feather, but it keeps you so warm and it's just so cute on. I absolutely love it. So I'm happy with that. But that is everything I got for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Also, thank you for 10,000. I literally still cannot believe we hit it, but you guys are the best. Okay, bye!